Welcome to our channel. Here's a professional step-by-step guide on how to easily fix Betterment portfolio rebalancing errors so you can keep your investments on track without hassle. Betterment is a top choice for automated investing and portfolio management. But like any platform, it can encounter occasional issues, particularly with portfolio rebalancing. When you face a rebalancing error, it's important to address it quickly to maintain your strategy's effectiveness. Here's a thorough step-by-step approach to resolve these errors and keep your portfolio aligned with your goals. Step 1. Check your account status. Log in to your Betterment account and verify that your account is active and in good standing. Sometimes errors arise because of account holds pending documents or verification needs. Ensure all requested information is submitted and your account has no restrictions. Step 2. Review your investment allocation. Log in to your dashboard and carefully inspect your current investment allocation settings. Compare these with your target allocation to identify discrepancies. Errors often occur if the input allocation is outside permissible limits or if asset class constraints are violated. Step 3. Confirm available funds. Portfolio rebalancing may fail if there are insufficient funds or unsettled deposits. To fix this, ensure you have liquid assets available and that any recent deposits have cleared. Also verify there are no pending trades or restrictions on withdrawals that might affect rebalancing. Step 4. Check for system notifications. Betterment occasionally pushes system updates or maintenance alerts that can temporarily affect functionality. Check the Notification Center or Betterment status page for any announcements affecting rebalancing features. Step 5. Clear browser cache and update app. If you're accessing Betterment via browser, clear your cache and cookies. Sometimes outdated cache data can cause interface or processing glitches. Alternatively, update your mobile app to the latest version for optimal performance. Step 6. Manually trigger rebalancing. If automatic rebalancing fails, you can usually trigger a manual rebalance from your account dashboard. Navigate to the portfolio section, select the rebalance option, and follow prompts to initiate a manual rebalance. This often resolves momentary glitches in automated processes. Step 7. Reach out to customer support. If all else fails, contact Betterment's customer support team. Provide them with specific error messages, screenshots, and details about your account and recent activity. They have tools and access to backend systems that can diagnose and fix complex issues more quickly. Step 8. Monitor and follow up after any correction or support interaction. Monitor your account to ensure the rebalance completes successfully. Future errors may indicate underlying issues such as account settings or technical problems requiring deeper investigation. Taking these steps systematically will resolve most Betterment rebalancing errors efficiently and get your portfolio back on track. Remember, maintaining correct allocation is critical for your investment goals. Regularly review your portfolio's health and keep your Betterment platform updated for the best experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated on more expert tips and tricks for managing your investments efficiently.